Jallikat fight in Tamil Nadu, but a communal twist attempt done by Asaduddin Owaisi in this tweet where he said Jallikat protest lessons for Hindutva forces. Uniform civil code cannot be imposed. This nation cannot have one culture. We celebrate all. Uniform civil code fight being stoked by Asaduddin Owaisi with this tweet where he is wading into the Jallikat deadlock, saying that lesson for Hindutva forces attempt to communalize the Jallikat fight, saying that UCC cannot be imposed in this nation. We cannot have one culture. We celebrate all. Asaduddin Owaisi, who has been a controversial proponent and also a vocal critic of Uniform Civil Code, he is now taken on the Jallikat fight and taken that as an example, saying that it's a lesson for Hindutva forces. Now remember, the fight which is playing out in Tamil Nadu is beyond caste, creed, religion, even gender. You have people from all walks of the society coming in, and these are civilians without any leader camping for the past 72 hours at Chennai's Marina Beach. But Asaduddin Owaisi politicizing the matter, saying it's a lesson for Hindutva forces, even stoking the Uniform Civil Code debate with Jallikat fight, saying it cannot be imposed in this nation. He said that we cannot have one culture, we celebrate all, trying to connect with Asaduddin Owaisi and trying to get some more political voices on the story. But there is no denying that the Jallikat fight has already turned political, with DMK now also participating in Rail Roko agitation. Perhaps our politicians have forgotten the message that's coming from the civilian movement, that it won't tolerate Netagiri, it won't tolerate politicization of Tamil pride. And when it's about Tamil pride, caste, creed, religion, all are secondary. There are people, around 40,000 strong crowds, sitting in day and night with the spirit that Tamilians are witnessing and displaying. Commendable, to say the least, a movement like none other. But Asaduddin Owaisi now taking this fight and turning it political, saying lessons for Hindutva forces, Uniform Civil Code cannot be imposed. This nation cannot have one culture. We celebrate all. Story and getting you more details. Shifting now to a breaking news that is coming in.